Okay, here we are. Isn't this a pretty river? Yeah?
Yes.
Here she is.
Yeah. Are we going to that bridge?
We're going to go to the bridge.
Hey, Annie, let's look at that.
Yeah.
We can have a picnic.
Yes, we can.
You didn't remind me of the shrimp. I like to grill shrimp.
This is the I forget, it begins with an H. I'll put the title in on the camera, but you can cook out over here. You got hibachi grills right there. You just bring along tin foil or scrape them up. You got picnic tables all the way. Look at all the picnic tables, and they all have hibachi grills, and then the places to put your hot stuff. They take good care of this place. They take really good care of this place. Come on, go to the bridge. No, go to the bridge. Don't you go down there. No, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You're going to fall in the water.
Okay. Thank you to all our subscribers.
Yes.
For taking you along with us.
Nice thing is this park has plenty of parking, and there's walking paths. You see there's a lady walking up there. There's picnic tables over there. There's parking over here. There's a bathroom over there, and parking all the way through here. So this is a great place to come on holidays and or birthdays or get-togethers, family get-togethers.
It's nice, you know, honey, yeah, because there's nobody here.
There's nobody here. In the summertime, like Memorial Day and Labor Day, you'd be lucky if you could even walk across this bridge. But this is, too, the Little Pigeon River. And I've taken you all the way to Gatlinburg, and this river is still the same river. Isn't that something?
People swim here, right?
True. We crossed there. Right there. Remember we went down there and we crossed across there. Remember I dragged you across there and you were complaining and moaning.
Oh, yeah.
Like doing that.
Yeah.
Great place to come. Great place to bring the family. Another definite on your list. If you're coming up to the Smoky Mountains, this is a great place to come, because just look at that river and you can picnic right over there, have your swim trunks on or whatever. You're gonna have your jeans or your shorts on, go right in the water, and it's not deep at all. It's during the summer months, it's really not deep at all. It may be ankle deep at best, right?
Do people come here when doing the Townsend, what do you call it, when they are in the tube?
The tubing is where you come down.
This is where this is the
you would come
river?
down here. Yeah, they take you up. There's like 3 levels in Townsend that you could do your tubing at, and there's like 3 miles, 6 miles, 9 miles, and 9 miles is the one I'd love to do. 9-mile tubing, and you'd come right down this river. And it's look how beautiful that river is for tubing. It's not too bad. There's a little bit of rapids there, but nothing that's going to scare you or hurt you. That's just a little ha 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 ha. Everybody laugh. Ha ha
okay.
ha ha ha. Everybody laugh.
And then the canoe. Is this the river?
You can canoe over here. You can kayak down here. You could tube down here. You could just swim down here. You can even snorkel this if you want. But the water stays pretty cold even in the summer.
Is snorkel?
You can snorkel.
Deep enough for snorkel?
Oh, absolutely. That current will take you away, and you just have the best way to do it is wear a diving suit or a swimming outfit that keeps you afloat, keeps you warm, and then you just snorkel all the way down here. Great place. That road where that guy is leading, that leads you right out to 321 in Wares Valley. Right at the general store, you get all your provisions there. You get all your goodies, your snacks, and your hot dogs and your hamburgers if you want. And then you just come out here and start to barbecue. Great place to go.
It's cold right now.
It's a little chilly out right now because it is winter. Lots of walking areas and stuff. Barbecue right here. Barbecue, and they're pretty clean. They do come in here and clean these, but people don't clean when they're done. But that's not bad at all. You put your chicken on here, your hamburgers, your hot dogs.
What about this? What is this
That's for the hot stuff. That's so you don't burn, because these are basically a plastic, so you put your hot stuff right there. And it's a nice pad that's up above the mud. I mean, they really thought this out real well. There's lots of people come here, they picnic or they have their lunch, they just sit down. Very nice. Very, very nice. Huh?
It's nice to have a vacation.
All right, let's get back in the car. Come on. In the back. I'm driving. She's shotgun.